Ever wondered if the powerful capabilities of Nano Banana AI are within your reach without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving deep into how you can explore Nano Banana AI using its cost-free options. Get ready to unlock AI potential, budget-friendly style. Our first step is registration. Navigate to the official Nano Banana AI website. Look for a prominent call to action, often labeled sign up, get started, or try free. Click on this button to initiate the process. You'll likely be presented with a straightforward registration form. Typically, this involves providing your email address and choosing a secure password. Some platforms might require additional verification steps, like confirming your email via a link sent to your inbox. Once registered, log into your account. You'll gain access to the Nano Banana AI platform. It's important to note that free often comes with specific parameters. You might find that Nano Banana AI offers a free trial period. During this trial, you'll have full access to its features for a set duration. Keep an eye on the remaining time so you can fully utilize what's available. Alternatively, Nano Banana AI could offer a free tier with limited functionalities. This means you can experiment with core AI capabilities, but certain advanced tools or higher usage limits might be reserved for paid plans. Understand these limitations. Check the platform's pricing or features page to see exactly what's included in the free offering. This will set your expectations and help you focus on the aspects you can explore without cost. For instance, you might be able to use the AI for basic text generation, initial data analysis, or explore a limited number of AI models. The key is experimentation within the free boundaries. So, by following these steps, you can effectively start your journey with Nano Banana AI without any financial commitment, allowing you to harness its intriguing capabilities right away.